Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is u.t.yy and I'm a makeup artist based in Akwa Ibom, Nigeria. Today I'm here with my model Precious and I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this ombre look. All you have to do is sit back and watch. First, I'm going to clean her face with the Ganya micellar water. This is to take off dirt that might have accumulated on her skin. You could use cotton wool or wipes to do the cleaning. You can just use what you have. Next, I'm using Moisture Potion Moisturizer. This nourishes the skin and improves its ability to lock water and moisture, and it's also non-comedogenic. For primer, I'm using Pond's, and I'm also careful to avoid her under eyes. For foundation, I'm mixing Milani Spiced Almond and Avo Shade 30 foundation. To get her color shade, I'll mix more of Avo and less of Milani. Now when applying foundation, you need to pay close attention to the neck and shoulders. The face shouldn't be fairer or darker than these areas. And to blend the foundation, you could use a soft, emphasis on the soft beauty blender, or you could use the blending brush. Your beauty blender needs to be soft. Or basically you can use whatever works for you or whatever you have. So we can see how well the foundation matches the skin tone. That's what you should have. Now for our spray, we are using Kiss Beauty Spray, Fix Spray, actually on the foundation. Now over to the highlighting, I'm going to be using Who's That Girl Concealer Palette to highlight her forehead, her under eyes, her nose, and her chin. I'm applying a lighter shade on the inner parts and the darker shade on the outer parts. This is just so that I don't have a hard time blending, because blending these areas could be a bit technical. Yeah. Now while you're blending, you don't blend and swipe or blend and smudge. It's more like a continuous dab. Slowly, carefully, just continue to dab. You don't swipe. If you swipe, you won't get a pleasant effect. For contour, I'm using Black Opal foundation, which could also double as a contour stick. And I'm using it on the cheekbone and around the forehead. For the blush, I'm using my Who's That Girl concealer palette still, and my Ezekiel lip palette with the shade Gossip. I'm presetting her face with my Avo powder palette. She's going to be the shade of the concealer. I'm using Airspun loose powder to set the highlighted areas. And also on her cheek below where I have the contour. Now moving over to her brows, I'm using Carite brow gel to draw. Then I'll use my new Davis pencil to fill in the brows. To conceal, I'm using Ferrarici concealer palette. We're moving over to our shadow and we'll start by applying our eyeshadow primer. And for this ombre eyeshadow, all the colors I'm using are from my Avo eyeshadow palette. For my eyeliner, I'm still using Carite gel liner. my lips, I'm using Classic and Divine Gold. And that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you guys in the next video.